up everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, how you doing? How's it going? I'm doing good, thanks for asking. Before we go any further in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button right down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you guys won't miss any of my upcoming video. And make sure you hit that like button in the face. So without further ado, let's get to it, shall we? So you guys already seen the title. Yes, I was inspired by the Kingdom Hearts 3 when I first saw the trailer and it came out. I literally got the game, you guys, and I was playing the game and it was just amazing. Like, the graphic is freaking dope, you guys. It's dope. After seeing the picture, which is I'll pop it right here on the screen, I was just so inspired the way how it looks with the background. It was like a whole like galaxy type thing, and then the whole Kingdom Heart with the heart and the 3 of course on there. And as you guys can tell, of course, I totally fudge up on that, but it's alright. Like, you don't have to add this, but I did it anyways. But I know I totally messed up. I know I'm not very good. But other than that, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. down below. Let me know how did I do. Was it close enough or not? I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If not, I'm sorry. I tried, you guys. I tried.
Are you sure about that?
Be quiet, John Cena. This is like kind of like a Comic-Con look. If you guys ever want to cosplay, dressing up, you know, as a Kingdom Hearts character, of course, if you could do like this. I definitely would go to Comic-Con like this, you know, if someone recognizes that symbol. If you guys want to follow me here, my social media, Instagram right here, and Navi.91, that is where you could find me. So thanks for watching. That is it for my video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace!